This is a test of the Singer 328 sewing machine that I have. Just threaded it up and do a quick 360 of it. Looks like in pretty good shape. Alright, here you go. Let's see. This is first pass. Haven't used it yet until right now. It's ready to go. Alright, that looks pretty good. Nice tight stitch. You see that? Let me flip it over to the other side. Yeah, maybe need some tension adjustment there. But anyway, there you have it. The Singer 328K. Looks like a pretty good machine. Let me just show you one more thing. It's a little cam here, and I guess you could probably put some decorative cams in there. I only have the one cam, but it looks like more cams would fit in there. Alright, over and out.